Proverbs 18, verse 21. We're also going to read Proverbs 6, verse 2. The tongue has the power of life and death, and those who love it will eat its fruit. Proverbs 6, 2. You have been trapped by what you said, and snared by the words of your mouth. God could have said, death and life are in his hands, but instead he says, death and life are in the power of our tongue. Regardless of our circumstances, we have to release positive words. Faith is essential, and without faith, it is impossible to actually live a positive life. Kulula as abazalwane ukuthi sikhulume noma yini singanaki ukuthi now we have actually planted a seed that actually can have positive results or negative results. Noma isiphi isimo esivelayo, you don't panic. You are able to just say, Nkulunkulu, I know you are in control. I know ngumntwana wakho. I know namuhla Nkulunkulu namandla you remain my God. Namanje ngiholwa uwe ngiphethwe uwe. Say, God, I am your child. And awubayekelela bakho. We tend to think ukuthi we have to ask for everything. But sometimes we just have to glorify God. We just have to say, uNkulunkulu, ungcwele, ungcwele, ungcwele. Noma ungazi ukuthi uzothini. In your troubles, just say, uNkulunkulu ungcwele. You are in control. We are merciful, and I am your child.
Moya